So I recently picked up the sprinkler by Diivoo, and I've been actually using it for about 2 weeks now. And I wanted to give you guys a really quick update on it and also show you guys how it works. So first of all, let's go ahead and just cut straight to the actual test. This sprinkler is really small, but it definitely does have a very far range, and it also does shoot the water up very high. So I just want that to be noted. But personally, I was able to reduce the water pressure on the actual spigot at the hose, and it was able to get it more in a controlled range for the small space that I'm currently watering. It does have adjustments, and it makes it pretty easy to cover a wider range if you guys want, or a really narrow range like what I'm doing here. I just planted just a couple pieces of sod, so having something narrow like this was perfect because I didn't have to water everything around it just to make sure that my sod stayed alive. So when you guys are looking at it, we have just plastic connections here, but we do have a rubber gasket in there. It's really easy to twist this on. We have like grips right there. We have a bunch of different adjustments on here, so we could control how far back it rotates. So right now it won't go past that angle, and the same over there. It's gonna go all the way there. And if we wanted to go more flat, we could move it, and now the actual nozzle head will rotate all the way down and water a wider range. Personally, for me, I'm watering a pretty small range, so keeping it right around there was perfect for me. It was really cool to see these move in real life and just how you can adjust this to make more of an arch. But personally, I'm just watering a strip, so I've kept these straight up and down. Looks like right here we can adjust water pressure as well. So there's a minus over there and then a plus all the way on the other side. The base is just plastic, so what I did personally to make sure that this stayed in place is I staked it down with garden stakes on all 3 legs, and that did a really good job at keeping it right where I wanted. So overall, it's a really nice sprinkler. It gets the job done. Of course, it's completely rotatable up here, and that's it for my really quick review and demo.